Hello friends, today we are looking at a question that says a ship sets sail from port A having this latitude and longitude 86 degrees north and 56 degrees west. For another port, it sets from this first port to another port B 86 degrees north, the same latitude, 64 degrees west, but different longitude, which is close by. Find the distance the ship covered from port A to port B, correct to the nearest kilometer. Okay, this is under the topic latitude and the longitude. So this is solution. First of all, we are going to locate these 2 points. If this is the Earth, of course, our north is somewhere here, the south is here, the east is here, and the west is here. So the circle here is the equator, while every longitude is a great circle. So the first port A is located on 86 degrees north, close to 90 knots. So it is going to be a point somewhere here, very close to 90 knots. And 56 degrees west. West is this way, so it is also going to be a point to the west. So this is the point A. Then another port B, the same latitude, but the longitude now is 64 west. If this is 56, 64 is after 56. So you have another longitude, but on the same latitude. But this one is B, 64 degrees west. So both of them are on west. And if the 2 points are on the same side of the longitude, but on the same latitude, the angle between them is the difference between the angles. If one, let's say A is on east and B is on west, the angle between the 2 points is the sum of their longitude. But if both of them are on the same side of the longitude, the angle between them is the difference between the angles. I'm not going to explain this. This is not an introduction to longitude and latitude. We are just going to solve this question. If we want to know how this is applied, you can actually go to my YouTube channel and see how I introduced longitude and latitude. You will understand it very well. But just know that because the 2 of them are on the west, we are going to find their difference. So the angle between them, which we refer to as theta, is going to be 64 minus 56, and that is equal to 8 degrees. So that is the angle between point A and point B. So looking at this, you look at the distance between A to B is a distance on a small circle because this is latitude. And you know that the length, because this is an arc, and the length of an arc for a small circle is theta over 360 times 2 pi small r, where small r is the radius on a small circle. And that small r, we know, is the radius of great circle cos the angle or the position or the latitude of that small circle. So that is, this small r will be replaced with capital R cos alpha, where alpha is this latitude 86 degrees north. So alpha is 86 degrees north. So let us now see how we can find this. So the length of this arc AB, length of AB is equal to theta is 8 divided by 360 times 2 times pi was given to us as 3.142 times r was given to us as 6,370, then times cos, my board, cos alpha, which is cos 86. So when this is computed, AB is going to be equal to 22338.2997 divided by, when you punch everything up here, divided by 360, and that will give us AB is equal to, when you compute this, you have 62 kilometers to the nearest kilometers. That is the answer to this question. See you in our next class.